Assalamu alaikum and very good morning all my dear students. Class 12 accountancy. From last lecture I have started revision because I thought that we have already learned so many things in last few months. So better we recap few things. So last lecture I started with the interest on drawing, when drawing is done in the beginning of the month or in the end of the month. And I think this concept is now students for you very easy. So we'll move further just for the revision purpose. I'll take one more sum today. Example here is that suppose A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. A and B are partners in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. The total profit of the firm during the year was 1 lakh rupees. Take an example, students, 90,000 rupees. Fraction should not be there. So, take an example, 90,000 rupees. दोनों के बीच का 2000 ईयर का प्रॉफिट है पूरे साल का. ईयर इज नॉट मेंशन ईच ईयर, but the whole year profit is there during the year. 90,000 rupees profit is there. Now, A has given guarantee that B will get minimum rupees 40,000 from profit. Distribute the profit. I repeat again, students. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. The total profit of the firm during the year is given, that is 90,000 rupees, and A has given the guarantee that B will get minimum 40,000 from the profit. Distribute the profit. Students, A B पार्टनर्स है, प्रॉफिट रेशियो भी दिया है यहाँ पे और टोटल प्रॉफिट भी दिया है, और A कह रहा है कि भाई कम से कम B को 40,000 मिलेंगे. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर B को 40,000 नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो जो भी डेफिसिट है वो कौन देगा? A. Whatever deficit will be there, in case if B will not get 40,000 rupees, then A has to give the deficit amount to B. Okay, so let's distribute the profit first. Suppose if the profit is given, not suppose, already given that 90,000 students, it is given in the question, and the ratio of profit and loss is given 2:1. So let's do the solution. I will write down here partner A and partner B. Partner A is here, partner B is here. Now students, very easy. If you distribute 90,000 rupees in the ratio of 2:1, A will get 60,000 rupees profit and B will get profit of rupees 30,000. A's profit is 60,000 and B's profit is rupees 30,000. Now students, already A has given guarantee to B that B will get minimum 40,000 rupees. Now B is getting 30 here and guarantees of 40,000. So we have to add how many rupees here? 10,000. Deficit. So here it will be 40,000. Total profit B will get. But whatever 10,000 rupees we have added here, obviously it will be given by A, because A has given guarantee. So here I will write down 10,000 rupees, but as it is added here, it will be minus deficit, and it is given to whom? B. So if you take here, it will be rupees 50,000 for A, and for B it is 40,000. Students, A will get 50,000, B will get 40,000. So this is what minimum guarantee is given by partners. Sum is very important. 2 marks question can be there in the board exam. Now students, will take one more small sum just for more revision purpose. Students, let's see here, closing capital of the firm is rupees 80,000. I use the word closing capital of the firm is rupees 80,000. Question is like this. Drawing during the year रुपीज 12,000. पूरे साल का ड्राइंग जो है वो 12,000. प्रॉफिट ड्यूरिंग द ईयर रुपीज 20,000. पूरे साल का प्रॉफिट जो है वो 20,000. It was found that interest on capital at 10% is not calculated. 10% interest on capital calculate नहीं हुआ, मतलब भूल गए. Calculate interest on capital. स्टूडेंट, एक बात आपको बताऊं, रूल्स है अकाउंट का. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जो आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं वो होता है ओपनिंग बैलेंस. ये आपको दिया है क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, सर 80,000 है, 80,000 के 10% 8,000. बट यहाँ पे ये जो है वो क्लोजिंग कैपिटल है, एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन ओपनिंग कैपिटल. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ओपनिंग कैपिटल. स्टूडेंट्स, एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ आपको, लोकल एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. स्टूडेंट्स, you wanted to go to bypass, and by mistake you are busy in some work and you are driving and you reached to Shravan Chowkri. You wanted to go to bypass Chowkri, crossroad we can say, but you by mistake have gone to Shravan Chowkri. आपको जाना था बाईपास और आप किसी बात में होंगे, फोन पे होंगे या कुछ भी हुआ, तो आप सीधे श्रवण चौकड़ी तक पहुंच गए. आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल कम रिटर्न, आपको वापस आना पड़ेगा. ये वही है, आपको ओपनिंग कैपिटल पे इंटरेस्ट करना था, आप भूल गए, आप नीचे चले गए क्लोजिंग पे, तो आपको रिवर्स में आना पड़ेगा. सो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूंगा, आई विल राइट डाउन हियर क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. Closing capital rupees. Now it is given in the question 80,000. 80,000 is the closing capital. Now normally as per the rules of account, drawing is always minus, but here we have to take reverse rule. उल्टा करना है क्योंकि हमें return आना है. So I will do what, plus drawing. Now drawing is given in the question 12,000. So effectively we will take as 92,000 rupees right now. Now one more thing is given in the question, that is profit. Profit is normally added because it's one type of benefit or income for the business. So profit is added, but because we are going reverse, तो जो प्लस होता है वो माइनस होगा, जो माइनस होता है वो प्लस होगा. तो यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट नॉर्मली प्लस होता है, यहाँ माइनस होगा. सो माइनस प्रॉफिट ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. Profit during the year 20,000. So minus means here 72,000 is the. अब आप देखिए इसको बोलेंगे हम ओपनिंग कैपिटल. दिस इज कॉल्ड ओपनिंग कैपिटल. अब आप सीधा जाएंगे तो चेक कर लीजिए 72 इज ओपनिंग कैपिटल. अब सीधा है मतलब प्रॉफिट नॉर्मली प्लस ही होता है. सो 72 प्लस 20 इक्वल टू 92. ड्रॉइंग माइनस ही होता है, सीधा जा रहे हैं तो 92 में से अगर आप 12 निकाले तो कितने बचेंगे 8. दिस इज ओपनिंग कैपिटल. नाउ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है 10%. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है 10%. सो 72,000 into 10 upon 100. So your answer will be interest on capital will be 72,100 rupees. This is your answer. Students, I think your concept, your thinking regarding the interest on capital, I think this chapter, second chapter I should say, many different types of questions are there, small questions are there. I think we have to put focus to make your fundamentals, to make your knowledge regarding accountancy more perfect. I hope these things are clear to you. We'll continue our revision in the next lecture also. Thank you very much.